Hello, this is Hannah Baker. No, I'm just fooling with you. Well, no, on May 23rd, 2000, a young goat was born. Man, time flies. I would have never thought these past 4 years would go by so fast. I cannot believe I'm going to graduate and move on into the real world. Coming to Sudi was easily one of the best decisions in my life. I've met earthlings that would be in my life forever, built relationships that can't be broken, and most importantly, I met the girl of my dreams. Yeah, that. Butler has been nothing but great overall. Even though most of the people walking and breathing earth my nerves, I would want to go anywhere else. I've grown so much as a person, it's crazy. I've learned that some people are trustworthy and most aren't. I learned that being with the wave isn't the best way to go, and trying to be in the mix isn't the move, yo. You see, I accidentally rhymed there. I'm ignorant, back in me. I've learned to distance myself and focus on what's really important, my life. One of the best parts of the tennis tour had to be spending time goofing off with my little group of earthlings. I had some of the best times in trouble with them. Even though I almost got beat black and boo out and almost called TPS, I would do it all over again if I had the chance. It makes me a little sad knowing my time in Butler is coming to an end, but hey, duck it. But the best and most exciting time spent at Butler was on the football field. Every practice we had a ball until we had to run when one of the coaches got mad. But on Friday's night, it was something tough. Talking mess with Joey, mugging people in their face, and making fake calls with Mike D was lit. I wish I had one more season in me, that's all. Just one more. We got cheated by the privileged St. Xavier, but never forget it. We beat Mel. Tell me how many Butler alumni could say that. And to conclude this masterpiece of a last lecture, I would like to thank everyone that impacted my life. Every teacher that attempted to teach. Because y'all did y'all best. A forever type shit. And every teammate, classmate, and every person I almost had to drop kick for bumping to me in the hallway and kept walking without turning around. Y'all made me stronger. Made me something I can never see myself as. And that's a man. But all props go to my wonderful mother and father. I'm adopted though, but I love y'all. Y'all the real MVP, shorty. J Bird out, my nizzy.